Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to enable Steam Guard on mobile. First of all, you can open the Steam mobile application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now you will just simply see the third option, that is Steam Guard. Tap on it, and now you can tap on add authenticator, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply enter your number and you will receive a code, and after entering the code you will just simply follow the further steps to add authenticator on Steam Guard. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.